Hi, this is Tiffanie Vendries with Grace Realty Group. Today we're in the new construction community called the Enclave in Mangonia Park. This community features 162 townhomes. Up ahead, we see the site for the community pool. It's still under construction. This community has three layouts for their townhomes. They all have 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. The square feet range from 1485 up to around 1800 square feet. The end units have 2-car garage, so you can see in front of us here there is driveway space for 2 cars. So I'm just going to drive around the community so you can see. These homes near the front of the community are further along in the construction, and these here are nearly complete. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in Palm Beach County, be sure to give Grace Realty Group a call.